Here we have the jetstamp 990 portable inkjet coder. What I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how to properly handle inserting a P1 ink cartridge into the jetstamp 990 cartridge carrier. There have been some cases of mishandling of the product, which in turn can result in damages to the printer as well as the cartridge. This tutorial will be showing you to prevent any damages done to both the cartridge as well as the jetstamp. So you have this red cap on the bottom of the P1 cartridge. In order to remove it, you're to stick both of your thumbs together on the Y end of the cap and push out. In order to apply on the red cap again, all you have to do is go inkjet head first, slide it into the slot, and then click down on it. Now to insert the P1 cartridge into the cartridge carrier housing, simply just insert it bottom first into the cartridge carrier. Be sure to hear a click. Next you have the guard, which you pull down to lock the cartridge into place. You have that knob to lock the guard stationary, and also has a knob over here to unlock the guard stationary. And now let's try it with the 990 jetstamp. Insert your cartridge as such, bottom end first, and then you click it into place, and you have the safeguard be aimed down to lock it stationary. Practice is key. Give it a couple attempts. Any questions that you have, give us a call.